Hey guys, today we're going to walk through this video on setting up your Wealthsimple savings account. Now, you could use any savings account you want, but I like Wealthsimple because first of all, it's simple and it's easy. You can access it on your smartphone, you can access it from your desktop, you can set up automatic transfers from your bank account, you can set up roundups, you can set up all kinds of things with Wealthsimple. And it's what I use for my own investing as a 25-year financial advisor. This is what I use, guys. So I'm not saying that's what you need to use, but I've done my research out there, and this one really rocks. I am super happy with it. I've been using it for about 3 years now, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I started out strictly as a savings account to just kind of test it, and then I gradually moved up to investment accounts, and super pleased with it, you guys. Easy access, quick withdrawals. I mean, you're going to wait a couple days, but that's kind of par for the course for any type of investment vehicle. So in this video, this is going to be an integral part of your strategy, you guys, because everything we do is going to be about rounding up and putting that money into your savings account, out of sight, out of mind, right away, out of there, so that it's sitting there, it's growing, and you know what, you're not feeling the crunch in your bank account because you've rounded it up. Let's say, for example, you buy something for $6.29, and we tell Wealthsimple that we want to do a roundup. Wealthsimple will automatically round up your purchase to the nearest dollar. So on that purchase, you're buying something for $6.29, but you're actually having 71 cents go into your Wealthsimple account, which doesn't seem like a lot for one transaction, but when you're doing 10 or 20 transactions in a week, that could be like $15, $20, $30 a week, you guys. So when you think about that, that's $120 a month. Money that you aren't even feeling, that's going into your investment account, into your savings, passively earning you interest, growing, invested in the market, taking advantage of stocks, taking advantage of high interest savings, and you don't even realize it. You are investing and you don't even realize it. And that, you guys, is our goal. So we set that up. That is just going to be one part of your saving strategy, is setting up that roundup. So that's what I want you guys to do. In this video, I want you to set up that Wealthsimple account. You're going to find the link in the comments below the video. Go ahead and set that up. You'll want to set up your bank account, all of your bank accounts. I always recommend setting up all your bank accounts because then Wealthsimple does the roundup from any account that you use, which is awesome. Second of all, set up any bank cards that you use, because then again, it's going to use any account from those bank cards. And it will also round up from Visa transactions, utility bills. So any of that kind of stuff, guys, Wealthsimple is rounding up every single transaction you do or that takes place on any of those accounts, any of those credit cards, any of those bank cards that you set up. So I say set them all up, because the goal here, you guys, is at the end of the month you're getting, $150, $200 a month into your savings, into your 401ks, into your RRSPs, into your investment accounts, and you don't even realize it. That's what we're going to do. Boom! See you in the next video, guys.